Oh yeah. I feel the rain coming down as they lay you in the ground. I set a black rose on your box. Watch the time spin around this clock. I can't leave you lying there. Man, sometimes this world ain't always fair. I'm breaking berries, mama, I promise you. I know you didn't get to see me like you wanted to, but you see me right now on this stage singing to you. There's a million faces out there, but I ain't got nothing to prove, 'cause this song I'm singing to you, it's right now. I love you, mama. I hope you're home up there in the clouds. The sound. And I can't leave you lying there. Man, sometimes this life it just ain't fair. But I'm breaking berries, mama. I promise, watch me see. This song's for you, and I hope it sets you free. I'm breaking berries, mama, I'm breaking berries. I sit here by myself, pull your picture off the shelf. Think about all the times we shared, right from birth to 37, that life ain't fair. I'm breaking berries, mama, I promise, watch me see. There's a million faces out in this crowd, and they want me, but I gotta let them know this song's for you. So set your wings free, mama, spread them fly, 'cause I love you. I'm breaking berries, mama, just like you want it, I promise. When they lied you in the ground, I set a black rose on your box. Feeling emotional, something's gotta stop, 'cause I can't take this no more. I need you to see what I'm doing. I need you to be out in that crowd. I need you right now. Mama, I promise I will make you cry. I'm breaking berries, mama, I promise. I'm breaking berries. Leave me alone, 'cause well, right now I can't pay attention to any of y'all. She's on my mind. I gotta take some time sing her to sleep, that's alright. I feel the rain coming down as they lay you in the ground. I spit a black rose on your box, then I watch the time spin around this rusty old clock.